Assalamu alaikum. Do you want WhatsApp marketing software? So right now you will get from here WSender software. So you will get from me always updated WSender software. So WhatsApp software from here you can do updated file. Here the option you can do download. Okay, after download you can get from me trial basis. So here the trial code, so use the trial code, then enjoy the software. So why you order our software? Because of we are have distributor panel. So now I will share my distributor panel. Through my distributor panel you can get reseller package. So first of all browse from control panel, this is, and I will log in. Okay, after login you will see this is my administrator. So through my administrator I can give you reseller panel, and here the license option. So how can you get resell from me? You will give me your name and then I will create here license quotation. Now I will share my another client resale package. I'm here write the password, okay, and your option license quotation, okay, and now I will create administrator. Okay, already created reseller panel. So how can customer log in the reseller package? First of all, customer go on your browser, okay, then write customer and login, okay, then you will see the quotation 10,000 people they can sell this. And how can create license? First of all, license and create option, and here write customer name, email address and phone number, okay, and here the anything else, phone number suppose, and activation limit, suppose this key 110 10 device activating, so you can 10 select it and you can anywhere if you want 100. So here the option I will choose the key, and suppose I am right here demo, okay, and you will get create a license, okay. So when you create the license, then provide your customer this license copy and send him WhatsApp, okay. So after license completed, from the downloaded software please open, then when you open you will show code, then you submit the code, okay. When you open the software you will see the option and run away, okay, then yes, okay, just wait and see. Okay, software now installed, and I will open run as administrator. Yes, I was put my key and activated software. Always you will get from me updated software from my website. So if you want to resell this software, you can contact with me